Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Cronometer for beginners. So first, download and install Cronometer and log in or sign up to your account. And here, on your dashboard or discover on the bottom, you can see here your streaks, energy history, and weight change. You can also have fasting, but you can unlock it when you buy the premium. Now here on charts, you can see your calories consumed, your weight again, and that's it because you only have the free one, the free chronometer. On the report, you can see here your energy budget, calories consumed, calories burned, and macronutrient targets and highlighted targets. And you can also see here your complete nutrient summary, like a very specific one. And you have your snapshots. And on the bottom, here you have your diary. So here is the important part of this app because here you will input your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and other things. You can also add your exercise, biometric. You can also add note and scan barcode. And at the top, you can see here your consumed calories, burned calories, and remaining calories. Here you can see a specific one, energy, protein, net carbs, and fats, and any other vitamins. And if you click on this plus button, you will see here suggest food, scan food, add biometric, add note, new fast, and add exercise. So basically, it is a shortcut for this diary. So let's try to add food. For example, I ate a steak. Let's just search it. And for example, this is it, and then you can add it to diary. You can see here the amount. For example, let's input 100 grams. You can see here the grams, and you can either input it to breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack. So let's input it as dinner. Now you can see here other information for that beef steak, and then you can add it to diary. And as you can see, you consume 250 calories and the remaining calories is 1469. So here you can see the other details. Now, that's basically how you add food on your diary. And here on foods, you can see here a custom meals, custom receipts, which you can create your receipt and custom meal. You can create also your food. You can repeat your items, and some other people don't have time to create their food. So you can make this app to suggest a food by clicking on this one. But this is not free, it is only available for Chronometer Gold. Now on more, you can see here account, profile, targets, fasting, display, and other things. So that's basically how you use Chronometer, and that's it.